We're going to show you how to download and install the full feature software for your HP LaserJet Pro M28w printer. We will connect it using the USB connection method. To begin, start up your Google Chrome browser. Key in www.hp.com. Go to Support and select Software and Drivers. Select Printer. Key in your printer model number. Make sure that the software and driver results are for the printer that you are installing the software. You can change the OS and the version if needed. Select the full software solution and go to Download. Once the software is downloaded, select Open. We'll close the browser. If you get a prompt asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select Yes. We have removed packaging and installed the cartridge. So let's go to Continue. We can start installing the software. Go to Continue. Go to Next. We need to check on this box and go to Next. At the connection options, select USB. Go to Next. We'll now need to connect the USB cable to the printer as well as the computer. Let's do that. Go to the back of your printer and insert the USB cable into the USB port. Once the USB cable has been connected to your printer, connect the other end of the USB cable into the USB port of your computer. The Wi-Fi Direct feature has been enabled on this printer. Go to Next. We'll use this printer in the home for personal use. And for the postal code, we'll key in 123456. Go to Next. The setup is complete. We can go online to manage our device, which is to register. We'll skip the registration at this point in time. So we'll close this. You'll notice that there are three icons on your desktop. The first one is the HP Printer Assistant. The second icon is a HP Scan shortcut. And the third icon is to shop for supplies for your LaserJet printer. So this is how you download and install the full feature software for your HP LaserJet Pro M28w printer. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to convert this USB connected printer to a wireless connection.